The Issaquah School District is consistently one of Washington State's top-performing districts. Maintaining our programs, technology, sports, and building repairs requires local support. The state simply does not provide enough funding to school districts, and we rely on local renewal levies to fill this funding gap. Current state funding leaves a 16.6% gap for basic education, over $70 million per year for our district. 3 renewal levies on the February 10th ballot would maintain this local funding for students. Proposition 1 is the Educational Programs and Operations Levy. It keeps class sizes down and gives students more access to teachers, counselors, nurses, and safety officers. It pays for legally required special education services. It also funds athletics, activities, and other student opportunities that make school fun and enriching. The state pays 0% of our technology infrastructure and building repairs. Proposition 2 covers one-to-one access to district laptops and technology for all students. It fixes existing schools so they are safe, warm, and dry. It does not pay for new schools. Proposition 3 is the Transportation Levy. It helps us update our fleet of 170 diesel buses. It also expands our electric bus pilot program. All 3 measures were shaped by our Levy Advisory Committee, a group of 60 neighbors like you. These renewal levies keep the tax rate steady. They are not new taxes and support every student every day. Ballots are mailed on January 21st. Please remember to vote by February 10th.